students, welcome back. Okay. For class 8. What subject? Social studies. Okay. Okay. Today we are studying the fourth lesson. It is a polar region. Okay. The lesson is a polar region. What do you thinking about the polar regions? What it mean by polar regions? See when the polar region means when the polar region near which we have in near to pole is known as the polar region. The region which near the, the region which the near the pole is called as a polar region is called as a polar region. And the next you may be studying the sixth, you may be already read about the regions. We are now entering in the different places, different farm means we are going to one place to another place. We almost in the sixth, seventh classes already we read about the regions and the continents. And in this we are knowing about the regions. These regions. The first we are knowing about the regions. In these regions, suppose for example, for day and night, we are seeing the days for our months also. We are seeing the days and months also. Days and months also we are seeing. And in our country or in our world compulsory, we are having day and night. But in this region, in this polar region, it is having the very cold. In this region, they are having very cold. We have compulsory, we need day and night, light and night compulsory, we need. In this region, they are having very cold. In this region, they are having the very cold. Why means it is having the totally in this region they are having the very cold. Suppose cold means ice, snowfall. We are knowing not only ice and snow. We can see ice land. We can see the ice land and rivers, water, streams. These all are becoming as a totally becoming as a ice. And not only this, they are entering into the seas also. They are entering into the seas land also. It will be entered, and it will be having as a frozen continent. It will be having frozen continent. Almost it is the frozen continent in the sixth, seventh class. We are reading about the frozen continent. And let's we know about the what is meant by polar region. What is meant by polar region? Now we are entering into the polar region. In this polar region, you have to take reference north and south pole. North to south pole. We have in the region. See what we having on a globe. We having the globe. In the north pole to south pole. North pole to south pole. North pole to south pole. It is called. It is all on the globe. What we can see on the globe. What we can see north pole to south pole. It is on a globe, and we can see now the northern part of light. The northern part of light. We can see the northern part of light. We can see on the line near the pole is called as a polar region. It is called as a polar region. The northern part. We can see on the northern part. We can see the northern part, the line which the near the pole, is called as a polar region. It is called as a polar region. and maybe more we can see on the northern part. You can see the northern part which having as a shade and the light. They are having as a shade and light. Shade. There we can see the shade and lighting. Shade and lighting. And it is called as a Arctic circle. It has a having a Arctic circle. It is called as a Arctic circle. Shade and lighting in the northern part. In the northern part, they are having as a shade and the light is called as a Arctic circle. And moreover, we can see when the northern part of the northern part it is having as a very cold. It is called as a thunder. It is called as a thunder. What is meant by thunder? Thunder is a very cold. Thunder means very cold. The thunder means very cold. In this thunder region, we are having the very cold. In there having the very cold means you have totally you having the ice. You will be having only ice. Suppose we are having the morning to night means we are having daytime sunset will be having the night time. We have compulsory in our country or in our world. Compulsory we are sunsets. Compulsory we are having the sunset. But in the thunder, they are having the sunsets. They are not having the sunset. That is called as a thunder vegetation. Thunder vegetation. Thunder vegetation. Now we are knowing about the thunder. Now we are knowing about the seasons. Seasons in the thunder. Seasons thunder means what are you thinking? See beta. Seasons thunder. The thunder means it is having the very cold. It is having the very cold. And there is a no sunsets. There is a no sunset. In our India, in our world, we have a compulsory sunset. Morning it will come the light and after that it will come the sunset. But in the thunder, they not having as a sunset. It is having totally shading light. It is having totally shading light. Only light it will be having. Where it means it is having the totally cool. It will be having very cold. And it will be winter season. Where to where which month it will be start means it will be start from November and December and January. It will be having total ice. It will be having total ice. It will be having totally ice. There will be no in these 3 months. In these 3 months, it will be having totally very cool. Cool means it will be having the very cool thunder. And there will be having the so many the rivers, lakes, maybe plants. They totally it will be fall as a thunder. Means it will be having very cool. It will be fall totally ice. Maybe on the hills also. We are having hills and mountains and lakes. All it will be having covered with the ice only. It will be covered with the ice. And in their plants also, plants, animals, birds, they are not living. Some only animals will be living there. The remaining it will be die. When the plants or animals it will be dry. Why? Means it will be all totally, it will be freeze. It will be freeze. Freeze means when the river water will be stop, it will be freeze. It is called as a thunder. In the seasons in the thunder, it will be having totally, it will be cold. Means all the, when the animals, plants, no one can live there. Which why they are totally, they are having the, it will be very cool. That's why any people will be not, at least the plants also it will be dry. Why means it will be dry? In total the ice will be form on the plants, animals, they can't live anywhere. Exactly in the rivers, in the lakes, water stream also it will be becoming as a cool. There will be no having the light and shade also. The sunsets will be not come. Suppose the sunsets will be coming the next up to this January month, they will be totally shading the light. They will not having the only, they not having the light. It will be totally be having very cold place. This is the seasons thunder. And next we knowing about the summer season. The seasons we can know now. Summer. The summer. What we know is see the summer. In our country we having the summer is a very hot, means we are having a more light and heat. But in the thunder season, their summer is a very, the sunset will be light. The sunset will be come, but it will be coming the light, means the sun will be coming to only light, means when they are the lakes and the rivers, water, stream, it will be having as a slowly it will be falling the water, flowing the water. When we answer this land, no river, land, water, land, stream, it will be had to break down. When the summer season, they will be break down. The ice and snow. Why they will be break down? They will be totally, it will be freeze. It will be freeze. That's why they will be having as a ice. They will be freeze now. That's why they will be break down the ice. And in the summer season, up to January, they will be, in the winter season will be having. Again we are entering means February and March to June. June there will be having as a summer season. There will be having as a summer season. And there will be having as a summer season. And now moreover we can see the summer season, and in the February, March and June, there will be plants will be having better. There will be having the plants. So it will be as a growing. The plants will be as a growing newly. How it will be as a growing means in the thunder season, in the winter season, there will be snow only falling. That time the plants will be dying. The plants and animals will be dying. In the summer season, where the plants, trees, fruits and the plants, there will be having the plants will be growing, the trees, fruits, flower, all getting in the summer season. There is again why means there the sunsets will be lightly, it will be sunsets it will be coming. That's why then the plants or birds plants means they are to be feeding, means again they are coming and they are staying in the place. They are staying in the place. The before they not staying. Why they are slowly ice will be falling down. No animals, birds, plants, at least anyone they not to be stay there. It will be dying. In the summer season, again they are to feeding in their places. Again day by day means 1, 2 like that. It will be feeding in their places. Okay, this is the summer season. Now vegetation. What is meant by vegetation? And it is better in the summer season. Moreover, we can see half of the hours. Means it will be having the hours and half hours. They are having the timings. Means lengthy. Lengthy means 2 hours. Okay, they will be having the 2 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, 16 hours, 16 hours. Totally it will be giving as a 24 hours. It will be having as a 24 hours. It becoming as a 24 hours. Length means 2 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours. It becoming as a 16 hours. It's totally becoming as a 24 hours for a day. It will be having the 24 hours. It is a summer thunder. And now we are knowing about the vegetation. Vegetation means what we see in the northern part. They are having the line of the when the polar region. It will be having as a very cold. It will be having as a very cold. It is called as a. We are first what we see they will be having the very cold, and they are northern pole. When the northern pole line is on the pole is called as a thunder vegetation. See, in this also vegetation, they will be having as a north pole to line pole is called as a vegetation. In this vegetation, when the birds, plants, fruits, flowers, they will be slowly it will be grow up, and some they will be staying in the place. Means their place only it will be coming. It is called as a vegetation. They are the people they are living. It is called as a vegetation. And now we are this all we are discussing. Means first we are going about the polar region. How it will be having means the north pole to south pole. When the north pole to south pole is falling, it is called as a when the globe on the globe only we can see, and we can see better. The first one, it is the north pole. Closer view of the polar edge. In the polar edge, we can see. In the polar edge, we can see it is a globe. In this globe, we can see the poles. We can see the poles. This is the globe. Here, north pole to south pole. North pole to south pole. And middle, we can have in the boundaries. We can see the boundaries and equator. When the boundaries lies on the Arctic Circle, the boundaries lies on the Arctic Circle. When the boundaries will be having, the boundaries. It will be forming on the lines. It is called as a Arctic Circle. It is called as a Arctic Circle. We can see on the globe. It will be having as a Arctic Circle. And this is a closer view of the polar region. Polar region in the northern hemisphere of the world map we can see. And in this beta again you can see here is the winter season in the thunder region. See, almost there will be having the thunder region. It will be falling as a snow and ice. It will be becoming as a freeze. It will be becoming as a freeze. Totally when the river, lake or sea, oceans, anything it will be having as a freeze. It will be having as a freeze. Totally it will be ice with it. Any sunsets will be not forming. When the sunset will be not formed. And the 24 hours they becoming as a it will be snow only fall. When in the summer season it will be changed the sunsets. It will be changes the sunset. Sometimes it will be shortly. It gave the sunrises and the sunset and lightly. Means it will be shading. Means like 24 hours, like 2 hours, 6 hours, or 5 hours, 16 hours. It may be changing the temperature. When maximum it will be changing the temperature. Means the seasons will be. We can knowing about the seasons. Okay, madam. Today we are discussing about the polar region of the topic up to. We have completed vegetation. We have completed. And the remaining topics tomorrow we can discuss. Okay, madam.